In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your video editing skills using Filmora by adding various transitions to your projects. Transitioning effectively between scenes is an essential component of crafting a professional and engaging video. Getting this right can help maintain the viewer's interest and improve the overall flow of your content. So let's dive into the process and explore how you can easily add transitions using Filmora. First things first, you'll want to open Filmora on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to do so, as this will be your workspace for all the exciting editing you're about to do. Once you're inside Filmora, you'll be greeted by the main timeline where all the magic happens. But today, our main area of interest is the Transitions tool, which will allow us to seamlessly blend different clips together and make your video look much more polished. Now locate the Transitions tab. You'll typically find this in the upper interface of the software alongside other tools like effects and text. Clicking on Transitions will open up a wonderful library filled with a variety of transition effects to choose from. The beauty of Filmora is that it provides a rich collection of options ranging from simple cuts to more elaborate animated transitions. This variety ensures you'll find something that will perfectly suit the mood and style of your video. Here's a useful tip when browsing through these transitions. Take your time to preview them. You can easily do this by clicking on each one to see a small demonstration of how it will appear between your clips. This preview function is indispensable for helping you make informed decisions without having to apply and then undo changes repeatedly. Once you've found a transition that complements your video's theme, you can add it to your timeline. To do this, simply drag and drop the transition between the clips where you want the effect to appear. A quick word of advice here is to think about the pacing and tone of your video when selecting transitions. Subtle transitions work well for professional and formal videos, while more dynamic ones can be excellent for lively, creative content. After placing the transition on the timeline, you can adjust its duration to fit your needs. This can be done by dragging the edges of the transition within the timeline. Play around with the length to see what works best. A longer transition can give a more dramatic effect, while a shorter one might offer a quick and snappy shift. That's it. You've successfully added a transition to your video. Remember, transitions are not only about aesthetics, but also serve to guide the viewer smoothly from one scene to the next. Experiment with different types and durations to see how they change the feel of your video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide inspires you to create even more captivating content using Filmora.